Hey guys, so this one, great project that we're on right now, but this one, the money is made when you buy the house. So you don't wait, like we're gonna force the appreciation, and you always know by doing your due diligence what the end product is likely to be, what your profit is, but you always start with the end in mind. So when you're buying the property, you already start with your profit margin. So with this particular one, we're gonna be turning this into a 6-bedroom, all ensuite HMO, so really nice cash flowing asset for a long-term hold strategy. Now, what we're doing with this, the purchase price plus the money that we're spending to renovate the property is going to give us a commercial revaluation, which we've already had the valuation pack to show that when it's finished, it is likely to be worth 350,000 in this particular area. So the same valuer will then come out at the end when the project's finished and revalue it with the actual rents that it's achieving as opposed to the market rents. So hopefully we're going to force the appreciation even more. This has got 6 very large bedrooms, so some of them will be dual occupancy. So again, we've gone for a sui generis change of use on this building. Now, literally, the money is made when you buy. Why do I say that? Because we know with literally almost tripling the value of the property sometimes that we're purchasing when it comes to the HMO, so the buy price plus your refurb, then you're refinancing it on the back end, which means you're pulling all your money back out. You can pay your absolute winning builders, and then you can go again. So you're getting extra money out of the project, but then this is a cash flowing asset creating passive income for yourself. So if you choose to lose your job, leave your job, sack your boss, whatever you want to call it, get yourself one of these amazing assets, because this is where life is changing for yourself.